What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to today's video. So, okay, elephant in the room. Yes, I got my hair done. Yes, it's hot. It's very, 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 very heavy, but it's like super cute. So yeah, I'm so excited. I haven't had my hair done in like forever, literally. Okay, so anyways, today we are going to be diving into a new palette. Today is going to be AMREZY's palette. We're going to be diving into this bad boy today. I have not opened it. Yeah, so if you are interested in to see how I like the palette, if you'll like the palette and what makeup look I come up with, then let's keep watching. All right, so I'm actually going to pull some of this back because it's kind of, I don't want to say annoying, but it's very heavy. It's very, very heavy. I haven't had it done in like 2 years, so oof. But yeah, we'll pull it back to right then and there. Do y'all see the way she swooped these edges? That is insane. But anyways, okay, like I said, we're going to be diving into the AMREZY palette today. I'm so excited. I have not opened this bad boy just yet, and I mean, obviously I know what it looks like because it's been all over the IG stories and timelines and the ABH. Ooh, it's very pretty. It's very glittery. It like feels like glitter, but this is what it looks like outside the packaging. And these are the colors on the inside. These are the colors on the inside. They're really pretty. I'm excited to use them. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm really heading towards that green for sure though. Let's get into this. I'm excited to dive into this. Now y'all, I don't got no clean makeup brushes, so don't be coming for me, okay? The first color we're gonna dive in is OG. We'll dive into that one there. Just like ABH, it's a little powdery. That's nothing that we can't handle. Ooh, this is a pretty shade. This is a pretty like peachy brown almost. So I'm just kind of packing it on. Some people don't set their concealer or shadow base because they want that pigment, but ABH shadows are really pigmented anyway. It's pretty. It's very pigmented. I love how it's adding that shadow. So I'm just kind of blending this. I have no idea where I'm gonna go. So next I'm gonna go into the shade 1988 right here. And I'm gonna actually use this to kind of deepen it up a little bit. So I'm kind of using a brush that's a little bit more tapered, not as fluffy. It's tapered and more like not dense, precise. It's a little bit smaller. It's a little bit more pointed. I'm just gonna use that to kind of accentuate my crease. My last video, I kind of took my brown up a little too far when I did my soft glam look, and it was a little too far, so I'm not gonna make that mistake again. Well, the first thing I'm gonna say is that these colors blend beautifully. It's not really picking up on camera because I'm using my phone, and I feel like my phone doesn't necessarily pick up stuff as well, but it's really pretty, especially this 1988 color. Just kind of going into it with that. I really like that color OG. I really like that color. Wow, that's really pretty. So we're just gonna pack that on. So next, I'm thinking about diving into Gemini right here. This color, it's like pressed green color right here. I'm thinking about diving into that one, but I'm also thinking about diving into Anastasia right here. Like, that is pretty. pack just a little bit more to see how it layers. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Wow. And see, I can get a little crazy with my glitter, especially when it's as pretty as this. This is just gorgeous. Wow, this is pretty. So I'm feeling a little rebellious. And instead of doing a wing, I kind of want to do like a smoked out wing instead. So I think what I'm going to do is get this angled brush right here. Or no, it's this flat brush like this. And I'm going to dip into BK, which is this black right here. And I'm going to kind of like base it on the bottom like that. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Like I said, with it being kind of just dampened. It's a really black too, so we're just gonna kind of stamp it where I want it. Like, I guess you can see a little bit what I'm doing. Yeah, I think that looks good. Okay, so I think that's gonna be pretty much for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do some mascara and some lashes and the rest of my face, and I will be back to let you guys know my final thoughts on the palette and if you need it, if you should skip on it, all of the above. So I'll be right back. All right, so that is the finished look. I did finish up my eyes off camera, and all I did was throw some lashes on, as you can tell, and then under my lid, or like on my lower lash line, I guess, I put the colors 1988 and then BK right here. I threw those, mixed those up, smoked my bottom lash line. But y'all, okay, this is the finished product. I did not wet my brush. Didn't spray it, not once, as y'all saw me applying the glitter. This is beautiful, okay? I'm still stunned at the glitter. Like, I'm stunned. Like, I'm stunned. One, my lips look popping, okay? That's that Dose of Colors lip gloss. So, you don't have it. If they still have it, I don't know if it's still available, but if it's still this palette is everything. I love this palette. The packaging is everything. These colors are gorgeous. Like, I'm so in love with my eye look. It's so bronzy and just so simple but sexy and smoky. I love the smoked out liner that I did. I love this eye look, and I wish I had somewhere to go, because I would be shapopping, okay? I'd find me a husband, for real. And these colors blended like butter, so they go well together. You can still see each color as you stack them, but they're transitioned well into each other because they blended so well. And then I'm telling you, that pressed glitter, girl, I don't know what's in that glitter. I did not spray my brush. Now, I did watch her IGTV today, her little video she put, and she sprayed her brush. I didn't spray my brush, and it came out like this. So I could only imagine if I sprayed my brush, how much more like wet looking it would look. But I like the way it looks, because I like that it looks like a glitter, but it sticks so well. So yeah, so this is the palette. This is what it looks like. Do you need it? I mean, let's keep it real. You probably have colors like this in your collection already, but it's ABH, it's limited edition, and they're not coming out with any more palettes until the winter time. So I say, you know, get it. It's $49. It will get you out of your comfort zone, get you to try some new things. Like, I truly, really love this eye. Like, I've always wanted to do like a bronzy eye look, but I've never really knew how to execute it. And now I know how, because this color is perfect. This Gemini color, I feel like I'm a bronze goddess, okay? Like, ugh. Not to mention, I got my hair done, so I'm extra feeling myself. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial using the AMREZY palette. And yes, I'm so happy I got this. I'm so happy. So if you enjoyed today's video and you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to see much more eye looks that I do with this palette. Yeah, go ahead and like this video, turn that bell notification on so you can know when I upload a new video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.